viewers, welcome to our channel Lara, the Rhythm of Life. This video is very useful for all the NEET and JEE aspirants, for the candidates who have applied for their NEET and JEE mains. Here is a chance for the candidates who have made any mistake regarding their application form. Let's get into the video. Update of JEE mains and NEET window recorrection. Application correction window has already started from July 4 and it will be end on July 15. National Testing Agency NTA has started their recorrection to provide students to change their details if they made any mistakes regarding their application form. This is another opportunity for students who missed before, so I hope you all will not miss this time and use it properly. Let me tell you first, this recorrection is only for missed applicants and for those who wanted to change their exam centers and details like photograph, signature and personal details if they had made any mistakes before. This does not mean that you can apply freshly for NEET or JEE mains first or not eligible now for application, because this is only for the recorrection of previous applicants who have already enrolled for application for exams. So this is not for fresh application for NEET, JEE mains and advanced aspirants or people who are interested to attend exams. You have to try it next year only, as we know that the recorrection has already completed before due to the postpone of exams again due to pandemic increasing of corona cases all over India. As we know that all the sets and entrance exams all over India wise have been postponed, because our health and life is very important than these exams. Keeping this in mind, HRD Minister had announced on the postponement of entrances. Again, recorrection has already completed before. This is again due to increasing of time and postponement of exam. Government has provided another chance for the candidates who have missed that time. So, here is the latest news on NEET and JEE mains availability of correction windows followed by the postponement of entrances. As I have already informed you all in my previous video which I made on the JEE mains and NEET postponement of the exams, you can get all the information there over. People who didn't know this news can watch my video and know all the details regarding postponement of the NEET and JEE mains entrances. Recently, in a tweet on July 3rd by HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, had recently announced the new dates of NEET and JEE mains and advanced exams. So don't miss this chance again. People who are wishing to change their centers or cities and details in their application form, you can visit the official website JEE mains nta.nic.in for JEE mains correction, and for NEET candidates they can visit the official website nta.neet.nic.in for the correction of NEET applicants. So these two websites are available for JEE and NEET applicants. Also, this is to inform you that candidates who haven't finished their preparation, start your preparation and write your exams. This is very important you all to know. There is additional fees also required to pay based on your changes you want to make in your application form. There is also fees based on your changes that you want to make. So if you want any details regarding your change, what amount should be paid for which category, if you are interested to know or you are eager to know, can comment me below in the comment section, so that if you want a video regarding this, I will make it soon and upload it. If you want to know this payment in detailed manner, what the payment should be done based on the category of the changes, comment me below in the comment section. I will do another video. And also share this video to your friends who had missed that last for the recorrection. If this video is useful to you, like it and also share with your friends and near and dear. For more updates you want to know, subscribe my channel and you will be get updated. And also for the latest updates, subscribe my channel Lara the Rhythm of Life, and also don't forget to tap the bell icon for the latest updates. You will get notification by the tapping of bell icon, so you can know the latest update very soon which was uploaded by me. We all know this is corona pandemic situation. All over the India there are increasing of corona cases, so I prefer all of you to use your Android mobile for this and recorrect them all of them application forms of the candidates in their Android mobile through the given websites only. Avoid visiting net centers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.